Hi everybody, today I'm going to be showing you the new trend, the strawberry makeup that's been going around. But guess what's different? I have red hair. It's fitting. It's so fitting for this look. So let's jump right in. Let's get to it. As you can see, I don't really have anything on my face. I did my skincare. I have these cute little Betsy Johnson little strawberry earrings and my new red hair. Basically this look is to just look like a juicy strawberry. It's end of summer makeup. I don't know exactly who invented this look, but it is going around. It is trending right now, so I figured let's just get on the trend. And it's really cute makeup. It doesn't really involve many products, and if you don't have these products that I'm showing you, you don't have to run out and buy these products. You can, find something similar that you have and just make the most of it, okay? So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is obviously start with your skincare, wash your face, all of that, moisturize, of course, and now we're gonna jump in. So you wanna have radiant skin is what I'm getting from this. So I'm gonna be mixing from L'Oreal the True Match Lumi Glotion in 904 Deep Glow, and from Skiin, Skiin, from Demetri James, his Orchid Gel Mattifying Treatment Tint. I'm gonna be mixing these two and putting that on my face, okay? Can we just take a minute for this glotion stuff? If you don't have it, you need it. You need it. As you can see, I still have some friends popping through, but that's okay. We're not perfect, and it's just about having like nice juicy skin, but not perfect skin, okay? So next we're gonna go in with the NARS, the Sun-Kissed Bronzing Cream. I love this stuff so much. I got it at TJ Maxx, so obviously I got it for much less, but I love this stuff so much. Oh, it smells like, I don't know, being at a beach and suntan lotion and all that. And I'm just gonna bronze the face up. I have this little kabuki brush from Bare Minerals. It's like a little, I think it's actually supposed to be an eye kabuki brush, but I love it because I just kind of fit it to all the places I would contour, okay? And that's what you're gonna do. You can use your regular bronzer, you don't have to. And I'm gonna put this all over my lid because you need like a bronzy tone on your lid. So if you want to put a bronzy eyeshadow, you can do that. Whatever makes you feel comfortable, but it's definitely, I'm going based off of a few different videos and looks that I've seen, and all the looks I've seen have like a bronze tone on the eyelid. So we're gonna blend this out and we're gonna come back with your bronzer and foundation. You want to make sure that you're getting your ears, you're going down your neck, you're getting your hairline, all those places, okay? Okay, this is what we have so far. We got bronzed, juicy, glowy skin, bronzed eyelids. Next, we're gonna be concealing. I love from Milani the Conceal and Perfect. I'm in the shade Ivory Rose 105. I love this. You can use anything. ELF has a really good concealer. Yeah, just use whatever you have, okay? And basically you just want to, wherever you have dark spots, you want to conceal redness. I have dark under eye circles, so I have some friends. You want to go around your nose, around the mouth, wherever you feel like you need to conceal, okay? This is what we have so far. Now, if you want to do black liner, or if you want to do brown liner, I've seen Some people do brown. I've seen some people do black. It's up to you. If you want to keep it more subdued, I would go for brown. If I did brown, I would use this Laura Geller. It's a conceal long wear eyeliner in burnt cocoa. And then for black, if I was going to do black, I would definitely do from Wet n Wild Breakup Proof, Waterproof, Blackest Black. Awesome liner. So it depends, whatever you're feeling. This is much more casual. Brown, black is more like dramatic, okay? I'm feeling brown. Let's go brown today. And it's nothing too crazy. It is just like a little flick out here. It's nothing too crazy. It's gonna look just like this with the bronze eye. Kind of jumping around, but I'm gonna do mascara next. I use from Lash Paradise. I do the primer and then I do this one. Next, we're gonna focus on the fun part, what today's look is all about, which is basically you want to get some kind of a liquid blush. You can even use a lipstick. You want to be in the hue of a strawberry shade. I'll give you some options. I'm going to be using probably two today. I'm going to be using this one from Nude Sticks, and I don't know, it's kind of a rosy shade, but it's from Nude Sticks, and it's a balmy texture. And then from Hard Candy, Selfie. You can even use from Neutrogena their Moisture Color Sticks. I think they're lips. This is in Fresh Papaya 20. Anything that's gonna give you like a strawberry shade. It could be a lipstick, it could be a blush, whatever you have, okay? We're not trying to like go and buy new products, because this look is pretty simple, you know, for what you already have. So I'm gonna take this Hard Candy Selfie stuff, and it's pretty cool because it's clear, but every time you dip it, it creates this color. So I'm gonna go like this, and you're kind of making the effect that the sun like hit you, like you have sunburn, suntan. Okay, we're gonna obviously blend. You can use a beauty blender or your fingers or a brush. It's a balmy consistency, which I really like. If you're an oily person, you might not like this because it's gonna give you this beautiful, do you see it? It's like a glow. I probably put too much on, but that's what this look is about. Looking like a little strawberry. How am I already at 8 minutes in? Good Lord. Okay, you get it. Blend it out. At this point is where you would put some powder, but I kind of like the glowy. If you don't, that's okay. Now we're gonna get into the star of the show. And this is the cute little strawberry look. You got faux freckles. If you have freckles, accentuate. But let me come to the window. See how cute? We did it. The strawberry look. I love it. I love it so much. And if you do it, please tag me. How cute. And do you guys like this red hair? Also let me know down below. And what do you want to see next from me? I love you guys, and I hope you're all doing well and have a wonderful day.